Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain about the intersection types in TypeScript, and it is easy. Now let me show you that intersection type. Let me create a new file, intersection.ts. So the idea is to combine two different data. For example, let me say that I want to store a player information. For example, let me say like I want to say like player, and I have to say like which player, soccer player, soccer is soccer, or football player. You can say like football player, which is equals to it have a name. For example, I want to store a name which is a string, and the other is the age, the football player age, and this is a number. Okay, so now I want to add also other information. For example, let me say like football player detail, and let me say like which equals to, for example, I can say like football player and the role. For example, the role is going to be a string, and his what we call it a number, or his number is going to be a number. Okay, or we can say like a team, or a team is going to be a string data. Okay, so now I created two different objects, okay, in TypeScript. Okay, so what if I want to combine these two objects? So I have to use the intersection concept using AND operator. Let me say like const full player data is equals to let me say that const full player data, which equals to you have to say like you have to use this you have to call the first data for football player, and the football player detail. Okay, so this is how you call okay, but you have to use this type. Okay, this is not to be have to be a const. Okay, you have to say like type full player, which is equals to, if you create another full data type, then you call this full player and full player detail. Then you can say like const, for example, player 1 is a reference to full player data, and you can say like Messi, age, role, and team to be Barcelona, like this. Or you can say like whatever choice you like. Okay, so let me add this to be capital letter, and let me add this to capital letter, and this let me remove it to capital letters, football player and football player detail. Okay, then semicolon. Okay, so now you have to use capital letter, unless the TypeScript will give you red line. So we created two types of objects. Now under this variable type we combined those two types. Now let me try to give the value. For example, const let me say like player, football player, and reference to this full player data. Then it will combine those two into one, and let me give it, for example, name to be Rashford, and let me give it the age to be 20, and let me give it the role to be striker, and let me give it the team to be Manchester United. Okay, so that is great, guys. We combined the first one and the second one into a single full player data, and we can give values to those datas, then, or to those annotations. Let me console.log all the values. For example, you can say like a player dot a name and play sorry, I don't have to run this. I don't have to run this, like Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and again 3-4 times, and player name, player age, player role, player team. Okay, for player team. Save it and run the code again, and you will see in your console that Rashford, 20, striker, and Manchester United, and it will give you the full detailed information of so this is, we call it the intersection. We combine two object types into a single variable type, then we can give it a variable for those or into ones, and you can console and print to show to the console. Okay, so this is how we work with intersections in TypeScript. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and I'll see you on the next part. Bye bye.